Today we're continuing with quadratic number patterns. And in this lesson, we're going to learn how to solve for x and y in a quadratic number pattern. Before we start, let me quickly explain something. The main line is our quadratic number pattern. The blue line represents the first differences, which form a linear pattern, and the green line shows the second differences, and these numbers stay constant. Let's say we have a quadratic number pattern like this, -2, x, 8, 19, y, and we are asked to solve for x and y. Step 1 is to calculate the first differences, which form a linear pattern. So we start with t2 minus t1, which is x minus minus 2. This gives us x plus 2. Remember, a minus and a minus make a plus. Next, we calculate the rest of the first differences. t3 minus t2 equals 8 minus x, t4 minus t3 equals 19 minus 8 equals 11, and t5 minus t4 equals y minus 19. Now that we have all the first differences, now we move on to the second differences, which are always constant in a quadratic pattern. To find them, we subtract each first difference from the next. So the first second difference is 8 minus x plus 2 equals 6 minus 2x. The next one is 11 minus 8 minus x equals 3 plus x. Finally, the last second difference is y minus 19 minus 11 equals y minus 30. Since the second differences must be equal, we can now set up equations to solve for x and y. Since the second differences are constant, we can set the first two equal to each other. 6 minus 2, x equals 3 plus x. Next, we put all the numbers on one side and all the x terms on the other side. Subtracting 3 from 6 leaves us with 3, and combining 2x and x gives us 3x. Dividing both sides by 3, we find that x equals 1. Now that we know x is 1, we can find y using the second difference. We take the equation y minus 30 equals 6 minus 2x. We replace the x with a 1, giving us y minus 30 equals 6 minus 2 times 1. Multiplying 2 by 1 gives 2, so the right side becomes 4. Adding 30 to both sides, we get y equals 34. So the value of y is 34, and that's how we find the values of x and y in a quadratic number pattern.